Don't touch my crown. They see the vision I've found.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's J Shelby. So today, y'all, we are reviewing a wig from DIVATRESS.com. Yes, another wig from DIVATRESS. Sis, yes. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you, a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I tried it. So let's just say I tried it. So this wig is by the name of Angelica. It's in the color F4 2730. So as you can see, it's giving me a little bit of highlight, a little bit of low light, a little bit of, well, a lot of bit of brown. So on to the details about the wig. This is a lace front wig, and it just has this one part, so this just L-shaped part here that I have not plucked or did anything to, just because I wanted to make sure y'all saw exactly how it was when it came out of the package. And I literally just took it out of the package, so I didn't want to alter it or anything. Normally I just take the wig out of the package and I start putting work in on it, and I didn't want to do that this time. So yeah, just this L-shaped part in here is a really long part. And as you can see, these are loose spiral curls that the wig came with. They did come a little bit tighter than this, but you know, I did feather it out. You know, the more you feather it out, the bigger it gets. So yeah, they did come in these curls. I feel like these curls are really beautiful, and the hair is extremely soft. I know that's my top thing. I love some soft hair, you feel me? And it's a good length for the summertime. So if you're not looking for nothing extremely long, you know, and that's, you know, a little bit more of a natural length, this is the length that you're looking for. It comes right down to the middle of my back, so good length overall. This color is what I'm not liking, and I'm mad at myself that I chose this color, because I normally just go for natural colors, or I go for like a red, or you know, just colors that I'm used to. And this time I didn't. I went for a brown. You know how Beyonce got her signature blonde hair? I got my signature black hair. So I'm not comfortable, but it is a nice wig. I think I'm gonna get this in black, just because I love the curls and I love the softness of the hair. Okay, and for the shininess of the hair, I feel like baby powder would help with that, or dry shampoo. So I don't have either or, so I would have to go buy some, or just deal with it, or just get it in black and call it a day. And it is a side part, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me see if I can shift it to the other end. Hold on, shift it to this side. How y'all like it on this side? This side is cute. Ooh, I should have worn it on the side in the first place. Like I said, it did come with lace front all around here, so they cut the lace off, of course, and just this one part. No, part is no longer over here, just the one part over here. And it does have two combs in the front right here, which I don't use, and one comb in the back. So if y'all don't hear me talk about combs, it's because I don't use them, like, ever. So I have no reason to talk about them. But just for the sake of y'all, if y'all want to purchase this wig, of course I'm going to tell you, you know, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put some concealer in the part to see if, you know, it does something. But anyway, you guys, if you have any additional questions about the wig, I'll link everything in the description box. The link where you can get the wig, the website, and everything that you need to know, the color, everything will be in the description box. Also, if you have not checked out my last video with DIVATRESS, make sure you go check that out. And that wig was popping. That was the blonde wig. So the blonde slay, that video, go check it out. That's also in the description box as well. So make sure you check that out and watch how I slayed the blonde hair. And it was like bleach blonde, like blonde. So it was really different for me because y'all know I'm boring. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. I'll be back. As you can see, I've been uploading constantly, blah blah, but I'll be back with another video, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.